In front of me is iiiF150 Raptor 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting two apps you wanna use in this view and launching both in the background. For example, tap on Chrome, select Home button, click on another app, let's go with Play Store, and this time click on this square button to access background apps. Now it's time to decide which one you wanna use on the top half of your screen and click on the icon of it at the top. When you do, you will see this pop-up. Select split screen and tap on the second app to use both at once. Now, if you want to go back from this mode, you can either go back into background apps and swipe them, or you can use this line in the middle to drag one of them all the way down or all the way up. Then hit Home button to close the remaining one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!